Hey guys, I wanted to do a really quick review on this power strip, and there's lots of things I really love about it, so let me go ahead and open it up and talk to you about a few of those. All right, first and foremost, you have a pretty decently long cable here. This is about 6 feet long, so great distance as far as a power strip goes. This power strip is waterproof, and I will actually show you that right now. You saw me pour water on it and it still comes on. So here is your off and on switch, right? And this has actually got this like plastic silicone kind of flexible casing over top of it, and that's why it keeps it really secure. This is going to also operate as like a surge protector, so if we have a power surge, if anything plugged in here is going to be safe. This is going to absorb that and protect your devices. The other thing I really love about this, and this is great for an outdoor use, okay, so waterproof one, but also a lot of times when you're using things, if they have bulky plugs and you're on a regular power strip, you don't have room, right, to use the rest of the power strip. These are nicely spaced, so when you have the big chunky plugs, they fit just fine. Especially like on Christmas decorations, Halloween decorations, things like that that need to get plugged in, this is great. The other thing is that it comes equipped with USB and USB-C sizes. So no matter what your device uses, you should be able to easily plug in here and have no problems at all. So you can see you can have 6 regular plugs, 2 USB and 2 USB-C, which is great. Lots of storage use on this. So all in all, if you need an outdoor solution, especially since it is waterproof, now I wouldn't go like dunk it in water, but you saw I poured water on top of it. It works fine. Everything's good and protected. Definitely check this one out. It is going to be a great solution for anywhere in your home. So you may have to use it in your kitchen, and we all worry about having the water source near this plug. Well, guess what? Now, if you have appliances you need to plug in your kitchen sink, this is gonna be safe and it's gonna keep you protected. So definitely check this one out. I highly recommend it.